we'll get the ads bits out of the way, but you introduced the data value architect as the missing link in the value-driven analytics. So why is this role, and maybe explain a bit what the role is, so critical now, and what makes the data value architect fundamentally different from, the chief data analytics officer, project manager, or a business analyst? Why can't those guys just, add a little bit on to what they do and get it done?
Yeah, I almost want to start with this comment of, if they were able to do it, everyone would have been able to add value or create value from analytics.
Would have been done by now.
we wouldn't be facing the problems that we are facing. But so I'm gonna start with a bit of a story to maybe explain why the DVA is a thing and why it's important. And it almost starts with, if we look at where IT started out a couple of years ago, and a couple of years ago is now probably like 50, 60 years ago when it formally started, and the same thing happened. IT was seen as a by-function of doing business. It wasn't core to what the business was doing or how they were delivering. They really struggled to make inroads with the business guys and sort of get the IT collaboration going with business. And at some point, and probably very late on, like 20, 30 years into that journey, people started saying, but listen, we need somebody that can start bringing IT together and business together, and focusing on how do we orchestrate the business to deliver value from our IT assets. And that is when the role of the enterprise architect was really born.